Upon buying, this engine's intake wasn't okay. Except being dirty, it had some details spoiled, some details absent. A bit damaged manifold isn't a critical problem, but the carburetor is a huge one. Its electric valve is spoiled. Its upper cover, spring, fuel gate and fuel needle are absent. To buy these details are difficult, so I decided to replace the carburetor. Also, a problem with not existing air filter had to be solved. That two problems were answered with the carburetor from my another vehicle, Verkhovina, old Soviet-Ukrainian moped. It almost perfectly fits carburetor place on the manifold and may work well on the engine because of similar engine displacement it is made for.